a land often overshadowed by the challenges of its surroundings, possesses an abundance of natural resources that many nations would envy. Despite its lack of formal international recognition, Somaliland's wealth beneath and above its soil, on its coasts, and in its skies tells a compelling story of untapped potential that could redefine its future. Beneath the arid surface of Somaliland lies an energy treasure trove. Its geological basins are believed to harbor vast deposits of oil and gas, drawing interest from global energy firms despite the logistical and political challenges of exploration. Preliminary surveys have hinted at significant reserves, with international players, including energy giants, gradually moving in to tap this potential. If fully realized, Somaliland's hydrocarbon resources could transform its economic landscape, providing the revenues to fund infrastructure, healthcare, and education, while positioning it as a critical player in the global energy market. The coastline of Somaliland is another extraordinary natural resource. Stretching over 850 kilometers along the Gulf of Aden, this unspoiled expanse of land meets waters rich in marine biodiversity. Its fisheries teem with valuable species like tuna, lobster, and mackerel, supporting a traditional artisanal fishing industry that, with the right investments, could grow into a large-scale commercial enterprise. Beyond fishing, the coastline's strategic location offers immense geopolitical value. At the crossroads of major shipping routes linking Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, Somaliland's waters have the potential to become a maritime hub, making the country indispensable to global trade. The port of Berbera already serves as a beacon of this potential, attracting international partnerships and investments to expand its capacity as a regional logistics hub. Moving inland, Somaliland's mineral wealth holds vast possibilities. The country is home to valuable resources like gypsum, limestone, and coal, which are being exploited in limited quantities for local and regional markets. However, the true allure lies in untapped reserves of precious metals like gold, copper, and tantalum, as well as rare earth elements critical to modern technology. These minerals, buried under Somaliland's rugged terrain, could attract mining giants and position the region as a supplier of critical materials to global industries. The growing global demand for rare earth elements, essential for everything from electric vehicles to wind turbines, makes Somaliland's mineral wealth even more significant. Livestock, while often overlooked as a natural resource, forms the backbone of Somaliland's economy and culture. Its arid plains support millions of goats, camels, and sheep, which have been bred for centuries to thrive in challenging conditions. Livestock exports to Middle Eastern markets generate substantial revenue, keeping Somaliland's economy afloat, even in difficult times. Beyond their economic value, these animals represent a resource that is deeply tied to Somaliland's identity and way of life. Somaliland's landscapes and biodiversity also hold untapped potential for ecotourism. The Dalo Forest, nestled in the highlands, is a green oasis in an otherwise arid region, home to unique flora and fauna found nowhere else in the world. The Golis mountain range, with its rugged peaks and valleys, offers breathtaking views and opportunities for adventure tourism. Meanwhile, the Las Gil Caves, adorned with some of the oldest rock art in Africa, stand as a testament to Somaliland's rich history and cultural heritage. These natural and historical sites, combined with the warmth of the local communities, could attract global travelers seeking unique and off-the-beaten-path destinations. Even the harsh climate of Somaliland is turning into an advantage. With abundant sunlight and strong winds, the region is well positioned for renewable energy projects. Solar and wind power initiatives are beginning to take root, supported by international development partners and local entrepreneurs. The potential to generate clean, sustainable energy not only reduces dependence on imported fuels, but also places Somaliland at the forefront of the global green energy transition. However, it's not just what's under the ground or along the coast that makes Somaliland remarkable. Its strategic location and resilient people are equally vital natural resources. The country's position along key trade routes gives it unparalleled economic potential, while its people, resourceful, entrepreneurial, and driven by a deep sense of identity, are the force turning these natural gifts into tangible progress. Somaliland's challenges, such as water scarcity and limited infrastructure, remain formidable, but they have not stopped its people from pushing forward. Investments in water harvesting and management, as well as renewable energy, demonstrate that Somaliland is finding innovative ways to overcome its environmental constraints. The region's ability to harness its natural wealth, despite being unrecognized and underfunded, is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people. From untapped oil and gas reserves to mineral deposits, fisheries, and a pristine coastline, Somaliland is a region rich in resources that could fuel a prosperous future. For those who look beyond its current challenges, Somaliland's natural wealth is a beacon of hope and opportunity, a hidden treasure on the Horn of Africa, waiting to be fully discovered and appreciated.